your hands up high, we gon' fly tonight. Dry your tears, baby girl, cause it'll all be alright. Because we came to change up and rearrange your game up. And you're perfect, don't let nobody change ya. This is the voice of the outcast, the invisible kids in the back of the class. And tonight is the end of the line. The cool kids ain't invited, it's our time to shine. All this time around, throw your hands up if you gon' make it loud. And say no, we're never gonna be in the in crowd. Say no, we don't care what they say. I don't wanna be you, so I do it my way. And no, we're never gonna be in the in crowd. No, we're never gonna be in the in crowd. No, we're never gonna be in the in crowd. And this one goes out to all the outcasts, to anybody who's ever been looked over or pushed past. Too skinny or too fat or too tall, too short, too white or too black. For tonight we gon' rewrite it all. We're gonna show the world that we ain't gonna take it anymore. We're gonna show them how we ain't gonna take it anymore. This time around, throw your hands up if you gon' make it loud. And say no, we're never gonna be in the in crowd. Say no, we don't care what they say. I don't wanna be you, so I do it my way. And no, we're never gonna be in the in crowd. No, we're never gonna be in the in crowd. No, we're never gonna be in the in crowd.
Hello weirdos and all you freaks of nature. I'm so glow activator, so sick. As your president, I will represent and defend all the people that don't fit in. Original ever since the beginning. You being used, gon' keep you winning. I blaze my own trails, I'm loud and I'm proud. I'm never gonna be in that in crowd.
All this time around, throw your hands up if you gon' make it loud. And say no, we're never gonna be in the in crowd. Say no, we don't care what they say. I don't wanna be you, so I do it my way. And no, we're never gonna be in the in crowd. No, we're never gonna be in the